Paintwork protects a car's body against dirt and environmental influences. But even the most modern clear coat systems are not perfect. That's why we at SONAX have developed the best long-term protection available today. It's the evolution of ceramic sealant EVO. The pre-treatment is comprised of several steps. First, coarse dirt must be removed from heavily soiled areas and the rims pre-treated with SONAX PROFILINE acid-free rim cleaner. After a pre-wash, PROFILINE Actifoam, our active dirt dissolver, is applied. Now the car is ready for the next step, which is a thorough analysis of the paintwork. This analysis will reveal any scratches or minor damage that are invisible to the naked eye and determines the products for eliminating the damage. A layer thickness measurement provides information about the condition of the different paintwork layers. For us, high-end detailing means that every component of the car is perfectly valeted in a meticulously precise manner. Here, proper paintwork correction is an important part of professional vehicle preparation. The respective SONAX polishes from our PROFILINE series are optimal to prepare all visual paint surfaces for coating with EVO. The special light helps to carefully control the polishing result, as the paint should only be sealed when it's in perfect condition. To ready the surfaces for actual sealing, the areas are thoroughly wiped with repair. Base coat provides the first flexible protective layer for the paint. Thinly applied, the extremely fine ceramic particles react to form a highly resistant network. Then gloss coat is applied. Gloss coat is an additional sealant that further enhances the brilliance of the paintwork and gives it a soft, smooth appearance. Dirt and water can no longer find hold on the surface and roll off. The result is incomparable. EVO gives professional vehicle preparation technicians a highly powerful tool. EVO covers perfectly prepared paintwork like a second, flexible, and protective skin. EVO, the next evolutionary stage of ceramic long-term sealants, detailing at its finest.